This video shows how to create a Windows 11 window using tkinter. 3 lines that you will always need when you're producing tkinter windows. This line is needed to enable you to use the facilities offered by tkinter, and you can see it says import tkinter as tk. Now tk will act as the alias to the facilities that are on offer by tkinter. The use of tk is good programming practice because when you spot it in the code, you know that you're dealing with tkinter. This line creates the window, which is name my underscore window, which is the name bound to the instance, and you can see I'm using the tkinter module, and this is the method within that module that will create the window. This line invokes this method that belongs to this window to allow the window to react to events such as mouse clicks. If I execute this program, what you will see is an example of a window as shown here. You will note that you have this icon, which is common to tkinter windows. We can change this if we so wish. This is a minimize, this is a maximize, and clicking here will shut the window down. When visualizing the runtime of this program, I like to think of the window as having a label, where the name of the label is this name as it appeared in the program code. This, therefore, is an object, i.e. an instance of the tk class, and this is the reference to that instance, to that object. We can think of this as pointing to the window object in the code. Please consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell to ensure you get an update every time I upload a video. Maybe you would like to consider supporting the development of these free videos via Patreon. In addition, why not follow me on Twitter and also check out the supporting website.